Hi, this is Ben's Machine Shop. I'm Benny. This is a part 14 about homemade machine tools. This is about the lantern tool post that I made, that I said I would show it working, and it's different tools, and this is it. Now this is the little lantern tool post that I made. I have 2-3 tapes on my website making it, and I would like to show it in action. I have used it a few times, but I'd like to show it working. Now this is tool holder number 1. Works nicely. Now, tool holder number 2. Cuts very nicely. Now the beauty of this tool holder is it's a right hand and a left hand. Take the tool out. Turns a right hand and a left hand. Which is a very nice tool. A very nice tool holder. Right hand and a left hand. And it also very nice spacing tool. How nice is that? Nice. Also a very nice boring bar when needed. Look at the length of this boring bar. Solid as a rock. A very nice little tool. Anyone that has the materials, I would advise them to go and make one just for the novelty of having a little lantern tool post. Very, very nice. Nice to make. I have 2-3 tips on my website making it just for the sheer novelty of having a lantern tool post. Right, this is it. Nice to make. Nice to have just for the novelty, the sheer of using it, making it. And these are the rising rings for whichever tool, boring bar, straight tool, very nice. Now this is the tool post I normally use. Or swing it round. That is where the dip and this tool post come in with these large tools. I have quite a few of them. Now that is my little lantern tool post, which I made. I think it's very nice. I hope some of you find it of interest. Now, I was watching a program last week, NYC-CNC. It was the Starrett factory, which was very, very interesting. Very interesting program. I would advise you to go and watch it. There was a micrometer, 54 to 60, huge micrometer, but the one that I found of interest was the 12 to 16. It was in a lovely box, a new box. Now I have a 12 to 16 which I would like to show, and this is it. This is my 12 to 16 Starrett. Oh, that's better. Starrett. Starrett makes a lovely tool. Very, very nice tool. I have quite a lot of Starrett tools. But the reason I'm drawing the attention to this one, it's a 12 to 16. All there. I have this tool 10, 12 years. I have used it quite a lot on flywheels, etc., on the stationary engines, but I have used it about 3 times on my big lathe. Now, as I was saying, I have used it 3 times on this lathe. I have removed the gap out of the lathe 3 times in my time on having it. Twice was for doing different large flywheels of stationary engines, and once was a rough 12-inch pulley. I had to remove the gap out of my lathe. That was 3 times, and only 3 times. I wouldn't do it again. I don't like removing the gap. Now, this was the tool I was able to use to do the flywheels, and cleaned up. It was a really rough looking pulley. I was able to clean it up with it. This is a tool I got at a flea market one time. It's a left hand, also a right hand boring tool, I suppose you would call it, but I was able to use it. As you can see, I have plenty of leeway with the gap out of the lathe, but I wouldn't take it out again. It stayed true, and it's going to stay that way in my time. Now, that is my little tool post and my 12 by 16. I hope some of you have found this of interest. This is Ben's Machine Shop. Go to Benny Marner, and if you like it, press the like button and subscribe to my website. Your remarks will be very, very welcome. Any comments? Thank you for watching.